Evening Star Pattern. An evening star is a three-candle pattern that signals weakness in an uptrend, indicating a possible reversal. It typically forms after an upward price movement and is considered a bearish reversal pattern, suggesting that the uptrend may be coming to an end and the stock could start moving downward. Steps for how the evening star pattern is formed. The stock is in an uptrend, showing strong bullish momentum. The first candle is a large bullish green candle, confirming continued buying pressure. The second candle has a small body, can be bullish or bearish, indicating indecision in the market. It typically opens with a gap up from the first candle. The third candle is a strong bearish red candle that opens with a gap down and closes below the midpoint 50% of the first bullish candle, signaling a potential trend reversal to the downside. What the evening star pattern is telling us. The stock has been in a strong uptrend, and buyers have pushed the price significantly higher. However, they may start to panic or hesitate, sensing that the price has become overextended. On the first day, there's strong buying pressure, and the price moves up sharply, forming a large bullish green candle on the chart. On the second day, the price opens with a gap up, continuing the bullish momentum. But as the price rises, sellers step in, viewing the stock as overvalued. This results in a small-bodied candle, reflecting weakness in buying pressure and growing indecision. On the third day, buyers begin to lose conviction, and sellers take control, pushing the price down. A strong bearish red candle forms, often closing below the midpoint of the first day's candle, signaling a reversal in momentum from bullish to bearish. Example of evening star pattern in an uptrend. The price is moving upward. As the market approaches a resistance level, buyers push the price up, forming a large bullish green candle. Next, we see a small-bodied candle, either a doji or spinning top, showing indecision. This signals that buying momentum is fading. Then comes a strong bearish red candle, closing well into the body of the first green candle. This three-candle structure is known as the evening star pattern, a powerful bearish reversal signal. The pattern forms at a resistance level, increasing its significance. It indicates that the bulls are losing control, and sellers are likely to push the price downward, marking a potential trend reversal. Example of an evening star pattern in a downtrend. The market is in a downtrend, with lower highs and lower lows forming consistently. After short-term pullback to resistance, buyers push the price up, forming a strong bullish green candle. Next, a small-bodied candle appears. This represents indecision. Buyers are losing momentum, and sellers are beginning to step in. Then comes a strong bearish red candle that closes well into the body of the first candle. This three-candle formation is known as the evening star pattern, a classic bearish reversal signal. The pattern forms at a resistance level, adding to its reliability. This indicates that the bears are regaining control and the downtrend is likely to continue. Traders often use this pattern to enter short positions or confirm the continuation of a bearish move. Important points. Increased volume on the third candle adds strength to the reversal signal. It shows genuine selling interest. The pattern is more reliable when it forms near a known resistance level, trend line, or moving average. This adds confluence and increases the success rate. Trend context is crucial. The evening star is a bearish reversal pattern. It is most effective after an uptrend or during a pullback in a downtrend. Avoid using it in sideways or choppy markets, where the pattern is more likely to generate false signals. Always analyze the overall market structure before relying on the pattern.